so here we are at Dave Betz's N scale layout. We're in Baltimore, correct?
Well, yep. This engine hasn't run in a while. Hopefully it doesn't stall.
So what, Dave, what's your maximum length of train that's usually run?
So for operations, it's going to be like 15 cars.
Okay.
You can run longer, but the sidings don't allow for operations to run longer.
Yeah, that's usually, well, mine is the staging yards aren't long enough. So I can only get 13, maybe 2 engines, 13 cars, so.
Let me make sure that floor switch.
Oh, gotcha.
This is Hagerstown.
Do you have anything in plan between the yard and the main there, or just,
I don't have any buildings planned because of reach.
Gotcha.
It's a tight reach.
Mhm.
I'm probably just going to scenic it out with ground cover.
Gotcha.
This is all old highball ballast in here.
Oh, yeah.
For some reason, I got a big bag of those Z-scale black.
Yeah, and I've noticed that a lot of people use a larger ballast than they probably should for their layout.
Unfortunately, I did down the bottom, but I replaced that's Scenic Express number 40, and we're going with number 50.
Yeah, I like the Scenic Express ballast a lot, actually.
I actually found a new company out of Central PA
Uh-huh.
that I bought some in the Altoona show that does a slightly darker gray that I like better.
Okay.
Try and blend it and see how it works.
Mm-hmm.
And he makes it himself, like Highball did.
Oh, okay. Well, up at White Rose, we managed to, somebody went to Bittinger's stone plant, he found some barn gravel or something like that, and it's perfect for HO ballast. And it's it's inexpensive, and you get a 50-pound bag of it, and you know how much you're going to use on an HO layout, you know.
I'd like a 50-pound bag. Let's see this. This is called Barnes limestone.
Okay.
Cool. And that's what it looks like.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's much darker gray than
Then the Scenic Express.
but that was $6 right there.
Well, that's not too bad. Yeah.
I mean, this much.
Yeah.
1 pound. $6 a pound.
Give her some juice for the helix, huh?
Usually I double head here, but this is a short train.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a real good puller. This is a SD35 that happens to be a good puller, so we should be okay. Nothing on this train's real heavy.
So rather than bore everybody with running around in circles in the helix, I think we'll just pause it here, and then I'll pick it up later when we come back out onto the scenic section.
They'll go out a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So like we'll see them Sunday. We're going to a vineyard.
So yeah, it's he's a pretty cool guy. You know, he's the one I did. We interviewed him. We talked about the future of the hobby and track planning and all kinds of stuff. Where we think the hobby's going and that kind of stuff. So.
You want a water right? Do you want anything, Fred?
I know, fine, thanks, Steve.
I got beer too.
Okay.
Oh, good for you. Probably good news. I should pick it up.
2015
Dave models Baltimore, the Keymar essentially, in Western Maryland in 1976. A few years later than mine, in 1974. N-scale track, Code 55, Atlas.
How old are you?
high cement here.
That's good practice.
Union Bridge.
On the railroad all those years. 39 years on the railroad. You don't have a good thing.
So Dave, what's a footprint? How many feet does the layout take up?
So it's 17 feet deep and 13 feet wide.
Gotcha.
2 decks. I don't know what the actual footage and rail is.
Right. What's your minimum radius? Do you know?
12.
12.
And that's
Okay.
on the heel.
And your max?
I don't know.
Okay. Wherever fit.
Whatever fit, exactly.
And then the Westminster here.
How's everyone doing? I do out the way. I go over those still. My eyes are getting so bad I couldn't see the ink still straight out yet.
Yeah, I got all my childhood HOs up there. That's how I'm going to get it.
I've got O steel stuff from the late 50s. That was after operating session, I have to go around the layout and make sure everybody keeps switches back, mainline switches back.
Yeah, see, I was running cleaning thing the other day. And I pulled them
And then the Finksburg.
So I couldn't remember that. But if anything different, like, usually before I even turn it on, I walk around if I'm going to do a run through.
I got one contrary switch that whenever if the layout shorts out, it decides it wants to throw itself all the time.
Let's see what. There you
Yep. As we all have. Forget to throw a switch every once in a while. Blame dispatch for that.
go. The thing works.
Sound clear, trip circuits work.
Yeah, I wish the EB1s would have that too, make a sound.
I had to put them in. They don't
Oh,
have a
okay.
sound.
You gotta buy
I had
them
to
separate
solder
to
it in.
solder them in, but
Gotcha.
they got the place for them to solder them. Did you have a caboose on that when it started?
What's that?
I did have a caboose in that.
Thought you did.
Turnout. Actually, a 2-story red mill is what this was.
Okay.
And I wanted it long, so he cut it and made it long. It's a little out of spare. He made
Coming into Baltimore. But that's sort of a lost art anymore. The kit bashing and scratch building and that kind of stuff. You know.
Mhm.